Hey guys, it's Grace. I'm here. Today I'm gonna be unpacking some packages that I just received back here. So here is the first one. Here is the second one, which is a squishy. Here is the third one. This is how it looks like. It's huge. It's this weird thing. Let's see what it is. I don't know how to attach it. There you go. So these are the things that I've purchased. Good lighting, artificial lighting. So this will help a lot. Hey guys, I'm back, and what do you feel about this lighting? Because I just like set up the whole thing, so it's like that. I don't know if you guys want to see how it looks like. I'll just take a moment and film this. This is what it looks like, and we have to like put this papers because it's too bright. So here is the second packet. So here is the actual box without the meal box or whatever. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. This is the tripod. Okay, I'm super excited for this because it's like solid. It's more stable. Just gonna cut it. I got another camera setup. Humble. They are this egg tarts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching.